This is a child abduction emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is not a test. An Amber Alert has been issued for Los Angeles, California. A child went missing. The child's name is Callie Brown. She is 10 years old, has brown hair and green eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink dress and blue shoes. Stay tuned for updates on this developing situation.
Freedom and wheat, boys. Full.
This is a local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is not a test. The child was found dead along with a couple police officers who were also found dead too. However, people have reported seeing a creature that has 4 arms. Please stay away from this creature, as this creature might be dangerous. If this creature knocks on your door, do not let it in, as you might face certain death. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing situation. This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities and the Los Angeles Police Department. This is not a test. The creature that was reported has been identified as Angel Dust, which is a character from the popular cartoon, Hazbin Hotel. They're male. He has a fancy hairstyle, wears what is believed to be a white blazer button-up shirt with a pink miniskirt. He has thigh-high black boots, has pink and white stripes on his arms. He has left eye that is pink, and the other eye is black. In addition, it is confirmed that Angel Dust is calling his friend. His friend has not been identified. And to quote every Star Wars movie, "I've got a bad feeling about this." Stay tuned for updates on this dangerous situation.
Breaking news. We have gotten the report that Angel Dust's friend has been identified as Cherry Bomb, which is another character from Hazbin Hotel. They are a female, age unknown. She has blonde hair gathered into a high ponytail. She wears a red midriff shirt, a red skirt, has ripped black tights and red boots. She has one red eye. She can also make bombs of any kind at will. Is that a bomb under the desk? Oh shit.
This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. This is not a test. Alistair has escaped containment and is causing chaos across Los Angeles. It turns out that Angel Dust and Cherry Bomb are working with Alistair to cause further chaos. 2 additional figures have been spotted, however the figures have not been identified yet. However, stay away from the figures and stay inside your homes and do not leave your homes as this situation is only getting worse. It's been almost a year since Alistair first started causing mass chaos in Minneapolis, and he has planned something to get revenge on the big guns for neutralizing him. This is getting super bad. Stay tuned for further information on this serious situation. National Alert! National Alert! The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Sherry Bomb has started a countdown of 3 hours for a nuclear missile to hit Los Angeles, California, Seattle, Washington, Omaha, Nebraska, Miami, Florida, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. All residents of the areas listed are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. And do not forget to bring the following supplies: food, water, clothing, phones, phone chargers, a first aid kit, toiletry items, blankets, pillows, and a battery-powered radio to last you for the duration of this emergency. Stay tuned for more information on this scary situation. Global Alert! Global Alert! This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Alistair has hacked the radio stations, and when he hacks a radio station, it can kill a person in seconds. So it is advised to stay away from all electronic devices until this situation is resolved. The big guns have been called in to stop Alistair, Angel Dust, and Sherry Bomb. Hang on. I just got word that Angel Dust was neutralized by the big guns and then captured by the SCP Foundation. So that's good news. Let's hope the big guns can stop Alistair and Sherry Bomb, because they're both very powerful. Stay tuned for further updates on this terrifying situation.
Breaking news: if you didn't notice, Daniel was killed by Cherry Bomb, and I, Fred, will be your new news anchor. Also, Angel Dust was neutralized and captured by the big guns and the SCP Foundation, and the leader of the big guns, Makima, has announced that there will be a battle against the big guns and Cherry Bomb and Alastor. Plus, Makima has also announced that there are 3 new members, which are Monokuma, Gawagura, and Nier. Let's hope the big guns win this battle, because Alastor and Cherry Bomb are both very powerful. In addition, Cherry Bomb is very upset at the big guns for what they did to Angel Dust, and Alastor is tracking the big guns down because after he got captured by the SCP Foundation once, he was planning a revenge plan that will possibly end humanity. We will try to keep you updated.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The battle has started, please stay away from where the battle is happening. Let's hope that the big guns win this battle, because Alistair and Sherry Bomb are both very powerful. Wait. I just got word that Sherry Bomb was killed by the big guns. Alistair is the only one alive. Let's hope the big guns win the battle because Alistair is very powerful. Stay tuned for further updates on this battle. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. We have bad news as we lost 3 Big Guns members. The members were Death, Shinobu Kacho and Shoto Todoroki. Stay tuned for updates on this battle. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. We have sad news as we lost 5 Big Guns members. The members were Monokuma, Nezuko Kamado, Izuku Midoriya, Katsuki Bakugo, and Sons. Alastair's powers have weakened a little. That's good. Let's hope that the Big Guns win the battle. We also have 4 members of a lower level of the Big Guns who joined the battle. They are Hiccup Haddock, Toothless, Glory, and Tiger Claw. Stay tuned for further updates on this battle. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. We have more bad news as we lost 2 more Big Guns members. The members were Gargura and Tanjiro Kamado. Alastair's powers weakened dramatically after taking damage, which is good. The Big Guns might have a chance of winning this battle. Stay tuned for updates on this exciting battle. This is an emergency action termination. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. We have awesome news as the Big Guns killed Alistair and won the battle. Our fallen heroes, which were Katsuki Bakugo, Gargura, Sans, Death, Shoto Todoroki, Izuku Midoriya, Tanjiro Kamado, Nezuko Kamado, and Shinobu Kacho will be remembered. Wait a minute. I just got word that Makima, Hiccup Haddock, Toothless, Tiger Claw, and Glory revived all the members that died. This concludes all operations of the emergency alert system. You might now return to normal programming.